Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang. And this is a trade recap on Amazon. Hey, Amazon was printing, man. We caught a lick off of Amazon, and I'm gonna tell you how we did it. But before I do all that, make sure you drop me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment because I talk back. But most importantly, join the Earners Club by clicking the notification bell so you can stay up on the plays with everybody else. But anyways, man, let's get right into the chart. I don't want to waste your time. I'm show you how I got into this lick. You feel me? Boom. We on the daily. And if you was tuning in, I did a trade recap a couple of days ago where we ran some scalping puts on Amazon. But most importantly, if you tune in on Sundays, you get the watch list. And we've been watching this thing like a hawk since here. This is Monday. I told y'all from there we're overextended off the 9. We going to pull back, y'all. The market sentiment is telling you we bearish. I know we had the rally. That's a bear rally. Let's not get faked out by that. We needed that rally. Now we back on the sentiment. We back on the trend line. You feel me? So most importantly too, shout out to the homies in the chat who dropped this, said, hey man, look like we getting a head and shoulders pattern. And they right. Got your shoulder here. You got your head here. And you got your other shoulder here. And what we doing? We completing that shoulder. We got down to that nice 101 level, 102 level today. So kind of go back. If you check out the previous put that I did, we did a scalp, ran it up for 30%. I swung the runners. Yesterday, I was comfortable taking a little percentile loss because I knew we was going to pull back to that 9 and test it, and we held. And you see on this wick right here, buyers tried to step in, but the bears was like, nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. We going to push it down. So when I looked at this on the daily and knew that we didn't close above 108.45, I was comfortable. I was comfortable with me being a little below or a little above my stop loss for swings. Understand, my stop loss for scalping is 20%. I'm comfortable being below 35% on swings, especially if I know we're not done. All right. So I held tight, and this is how we played it out today. So let me get into the 5-minute. You already know I like that 5-minute, boy. But before we actually get into the play of the day, the most important thing is this pre-market levels. Always check your pre-markets, right? Always check your pre-market. Pre-market starts at 4 a.m. So I'm looking at the highs, which noted we saw that it was 108 and rejected. And we knew 108 yesterday was closed. So I was very confident in what I did next. So not only did I had the swings coming over for today, I was prepared to go ahead and load up the boat because I knew we was going to get a nice little rally down. Now, I didn't know it was going to be this much. I ain't going to cap with y'all. I didn't know it was going to be this much. But I was anticipating being very bearish today. So we got our lows. We had our pre-market lows right around that 106 area, 108 level highs. As soon as we broke, I jumped in. You can see this big energy. And look, y'all, I added the volume up here. I took my laptop down, put the volume on the chart so y'all can see it. Big candle energy right here, ripped through the lows, and I jumped in head first. You dig? Jumped in it, loaded it back up. I was already in the 108 puts from the swing. I jumped into the 107 puts, and I rode it all the way down to 102. And if you in the Discord, if you in the Earners Club, you saw the call out, you saw the updates. We hit Amazon for 182% busser. Yes, sir, ski. Yeah, we did that. I didn't wait for the pullback. I tell you all the time, man, once I'm in my bag, once I'm comfortable where I'm at, ideally, you want to wait and see if we're going to hold the 9 and reject and continue going. But if you get 180%, man, you got to take them shillings, man. You got to take the shillings. Up over 1,500 for the day. That was my only play for the day. I'm done. Dunzo bunzo, baby. But as you can see, man, we pulled back to the 9. And the reason why I took my shillings was very comfortable taking shillings that we were hella overextended from the 9. So let's say if I'd have rolled all the way back to 9, that would put me about a 103, 104. So that probably, I still would have been over 100%. But 182%, you got to take that every time. So I took my 182%, cashed out, all contracts sold. And that's the only trade of the day. So that's how we hit the lick on Amazon. Really wasn't like, no witchcraft or anything like that. I took my swings off the 108s, sold those right at the bottom with the 107s, and that was it. And that's how we hit Amazon, man. And as you can see, Amazon did a hell of a bounce and started getting some momentum back up to these 107s. I'm thinking, and this is still live, it's 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I'm thinking they're going to test these 108s and reject. So I may continue to watch this and see if it reject the 108 level and see if I can catch some puts on some scalps. But right now, I'm very comfortable of not trading today. I'm feeling really comfortable right there. So, yeah, man, it's your boy Wall Street Shooter. And this is never financial advice. Peace, y'all.